Hello dear subscribers. Today we will talk about fixing error. Here you can see this error 0xc000000e. So how we can fix it? So it's really not easy error. That's why for solving it we just need to write some commands in terminal or recover our system. As for me, you really need many commands to write, and more easier variant will be to recover your system. So how you can recover it? So you just go to Windows, and here choose settings. After you choose settings, you will choose here one minute please. So here we choose updates and security, and here we choose recovery. So here we choose restart now. So after you restart your computer, we just starting recover. We will see recover screen, and just follow steps, you will recover your system. So this is how it works. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.